Hello Math 119 students. We had a request to calculate the mean, standard deviation, and variance for a data that's in a frequency table. So here we have a frequency table that I made up. We have 4 classes, the frequencies total to 14. So the first thing you need the midpoints for each class. So I added those. Then to calculate the mean, what we want to do is sum the product of each frequency times the midpoint. So F is the frequency, X is the midpoint. So we multiply across. I'll do that right now. Now I will add the new column, column 4. Now we're ready to calculate the mean. So the mean will be the sum of the product of F times X, which is 339, divided by N is the sum of the frequencies. And when we divide, it results in I will round to 1 decimal place. That's what we get. Okay, so the next step, we will calculate the variance and standard deviation. Okay, the table is in your book. The formula is in your book on page 157. Here's the formula for the standard deviation. Same formula that I'm using. So what is, we need the sum of F times X. We have N. And we need another column to calculate the sum of F times X squared. So what we have to do is square each X value and then multiply by F, multiply across. And then sum, we'll put the results in column 5 and then we'll sum this new column. So the first value is 2 times 16 squared, resulting in 512. Now I've multiplied across, I'm going to sum this new column. Okay, now I've completed the entire table. I'm ready to calculate the sample variance first. So n is 14. The sum of F times X squared, that's the sum of the new column. The sum of f times x is 339. So I'll calculate the numerator. 4,625. The denominator will be 14 times 13. Now when we divide, this will give us our sample variance. So we get 25.4 rounded to 1 decimal place. Now S will be the square root of the sample variance. So we'll calculate S. We'll just take the square root of the previous result. And that gives us 5.04, which we will round off to 5. So for this frequency distribution, the mean is 24.2, the sample variance is 25.4, and the sample standard deviation is 5.0.